Hi friends, this video shows how to add gas biller in Amazon. Open this Amazon app, tap on this Amazon app icon, tap on this menu icon over here, tap on Amazon Pay, tap on bills and recharges, tap here, then go down, tap on LPG gas cylinder, then go down and find this new gas cylinder booking section. Here you have to select your gas provider. In my case, this is Bharat Gas. I am going to add Bharat Gas biller. Tap on Bharat Gas. Then we need to fill these two fields. Bharat Gas, then your mobile number or LPG ID you have to fill here. Then tap on save and continue. When you add biller, you would be able to find that biller under this your billers section. See. Later, if you want to book a cylinder, you can tap on this icon and make the payment, and that way you can book a cylinder. If you want to know how to book a cylinder, please check the description of this video. I will add video link there. This way we can add gas biller. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.